Hello YouTube. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do the wheel brakes on this 2019 Ram 1500. We're gonna put the vehicle in service mode. We don't need any scan tool for this. Ram gives you the option to go in the setting, go to brakes, and brake procedure, brake service mode procedure, and yes. And it's gonna retract the caliper for you so you can replace the pads and rotors. And press OK and shut off the vehicle. Now we're gonna hit the rotor a few times so you can get the rust off of it. Let's compress our caliper. You can use a flap disc screwdriver to do so. Compress it all the way. Now we're gonna remove the brake returning screw. It is a T30. I'm using a 3/8 ratchet to break it free. It has some resistance to it. There you go. Now let's remove the caliper bolt. It is a 12mm. Let's remove the anti-drag clips. Make sure you have those clips when you buy the new pads. If not, you're gonna have to buy it separate or maybe save them to reuse them. Inspect the slider pins. Now we're gonna remove the caliper bracket bolt. It is a 21mm. Now let's take out the old clip and clean the caliper bracket, and we grease the pins. Please wear your safety glasses. You can use a wire brush for this, or you can use the angle grinder. Well, I think that's what they call it, to clean it real good. Now pay attention to I'm installing the clip right now. Pay attention to the orientation of those clips, because they're only going one way. There you go. Now we're gonna remove the old rotor, tap it with the hammer until it gets free from the hub. And we're gonna clean our hub surfaces to make sure when you put your new rotor, it sits flush. And clean the old rotor, clean the new rotor rather, sorry. And let's put our rotor within the screw. Install our caliper bracket. And we grease our brake pad. There you go. Install our anti-drag clip. Make sure you hold the brake pad while pulling the drag clip, because sometimes they have a tendency to pop the brake pad out. And we almost there, guys, and put our caliper back on and the bolt. And that's it, guys. Make sure you pump your brake pad, your brake pedal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're back in the vehicle. We're gonna take the vehicle out of service mode. Press OK. You go back to brakes. Okay. Now he's saying to press the brake pedal. I'm pressing the brake pedal right now. And pull on the parking brake. Okay. Parking brake set. Easy complete. And we're done, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.